Sorting is one of the most common tools for data management in Excel. In fact, in Excel, you can sort your table by one or more columns by ascending or descending order, or do a custom sort. Let's begin. Click in one of the cells of your table. Under Home ribbon, go to Editing and click Sort and Filter. For text, you will have the option Sort by Letters, and for numbers, you will have the option to sort by smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For the purpose of this training, we will do both to show you. So here we click sort and alphabetic order, lowest to highest, accordingly. If we want to sort by number, make sure that the column shows numbers. Click on the little filter on the right and select sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. There are additional sorting which you can use. You can sort by colors if you have applied any. For example, here we are coloring these cells. Now go back again, sort by color, and starting by the yellow. You can always go back and filter even by color or remove the filters. If you wish more sorting options, you can go back to Home button, click on Editing, Sort and Filter, choose Custom Sort, add level. Next step, choose how you want to sort, by which fact. Sort by, for example, date. Order, you can choose the color if you have any. Sort on cell color if you want to remove the color. You can sort by cell value. And the next, then by date, cell values, and click OK. In fact, you can add more or one or more additional criteria of sorting. If you encounter any error, you can again try to delete your levels and recreate them and click OK to have the sorting done again.